I used to think people were very mean-spirited when they spoke about an inside job regarding the Twin Towers. And I have to say that looking at this next clip coming from a helicopter that was present on the day and in the vicinity, I have to say my thoughts have changed, and now I question it. Because over the last 8 years, I have really questioned a lot of the American democracy. I don't believe it is a democratic society, not for 1 second. I think we've all been misled by the Bushes, the Clintons, the Obamas, the Bidens, and maybe to some degree, the Trump campaign. But what I do know is that Donald Trump did a lot more for his country and for other world leaders around the world than any other sitting American president. He never went to war. He got on quite well with Kim Jong. He got on quite well with the Russian President Putin and China. So why is it he's the only president in the United States that could pull all these people together and not go to war, not escalate disagreements, but hold a conversation and diplomacy in a respectful manner? I think we know who the crooks are in the United States. And it's not Russia, it's not China, and it's certainly not Donald Trump. But yes, you should be questioning everything in relation to 9/11 and to why people have gone to war in a different country under the US flag.
Wow. Wow. That apparently does look like it is in the other building at this point. Back off. They're telling us to back off.